So if you are working with several developers, it's hard to, let's see, check the code manually. And sometimes you need to make restrictions when creating a classes, methods, and etc. For instance, here I have custom meta class. And this custom meta class, it will try, let's see, I have this class and it has to be in using the meta class, which is this one here. Now, this meta class has some restrictions, and of course, it could be extended. So let me just show you what are the restrictions. The restriction is if you have abstract methods, it has to be implemented in the class. Of course, we have already discussed this. Now, let's just focus on the most important stuff. Now, the function, let's say the class has to start with capital letters, capital letter. For instance, if you define the class, let's say with defect detection like this, and if you run now your class, you will have an exceptions, and you can see class defect detection should start with capital letter. So now let's just fix this, and let's see, I have just changed it to this. Now it will change also the method's name. It has to start with a small letter. Let's see. Now you can see function should start with only lowercase. So you can see method, and this is the method name that I am using of the class defect detection. And it's easy, also easy and clear to see which method and which class. So let's just try to change the method to somewhere else. So for instance, print. If I say now run, you can see method print of class defect detection has to be lowercase. Now let's just start make change this to print, I mean small letter. Now let's start again. And you can see here, it's make sure that you have provided a documentation for method print of the defect detection class. So now you have to add a documentation for this. Let's say like this. And now if I run, now it should run without any issues. So now what I have added as a summary, what I have added in the custom meta class is that the class name has to start with the capital letters. All methods have to be lowercase, and also each method or function has to have a documentation, doc string. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.